How to hide view counts on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to hide number of views on Instagram, you must keep one thing in mind, that you cannot directly hide the number of views on your reels. So what you're going to do is simply first open Instagram app on your device, then go to your profile. After that, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a 3-bar option. Click on it. After you click on it, scroll a bit down, and then in what you see, you can see the option which says like and share counts. Go there. Then if it is already turned on, then your number of likes and share, number of like and share will be hidden. But if it is not turned on, then you can simply turn it on. So this is how you can hide the number of likes or share. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching until the end of the video, and see you in the next video.